Okay, for this one, this is part C, and what they want us to do is they say draw a line on the plane ABC which is passing through B. So with a lot of this, the wording of it is very difficult, but if you just break it down, it's actually not too bad. So you're just saying draw a line from B, which is horizontal. They want you to find this horizontal line on the plane below, call it M. We would have done this. This is how we normally get a dihedral angle if you're not given the line of the section. So M is on AC. This is AC. That's M. M goes to B. M goes to B. This is also how we get this strike in the road formation question. So that is that line. So the next part is they want us to find the angle of that to the XY, to our next XY, to determine the angle of inclination of the plane ABC, the horizontal plane. Okay. So what they want us to do is they want us to show ABC as an edge. So look along it as an edge. So if we draw a line, horizontal line across it, and look along this will automatically give us an edge view. So they're sort of telling you what to do, but the wording of it sounds more complicated than it actually is. I'm trying to get this in if I can. So actually I'll bring it over this direction here. So it's just plain ABC. So I need to bring down 3 points. This is, and as I was saying a second ago, this comes up in the dip and the strike question as well. It's the same thing. So you bring a line down, you bring a line down here. X1, Y1. X1, Y1 here. Heights come from here. So like the dip and the strike, and a way of cheating is you get the lowest point. I'm cheating and making sure it's right. Point C is the lowest point here. Point A is the highest point. We should see this as an edge. So I'm just going to join this to this. And that's point C. That's point A. Point B is in the middle. They ask us for the angle of inclination. In the question on your dip and your strike, this is called a dip. Horizontal plane, horizontal is the ground. So again, it's the wording of the question makes it very complicated, but the drawing of it isn't actually too bad. So this is I was going to call it the dip there. That's the angle between the horizontal plane, as they call it. The next thing they ask us to do is what? Is determine the true shape of ABC. Okay, so once you've got an edge view, to get a true shape, we look straight in it. So this is a really good question because it asks you everything that'll possibly come up on this, and it also helps you revise road formations. So bring these up in this direction. And X1, Y1 parallel to this. X2, Y2. X2, Y2. And the heights of my last XY line back. So this should get a true shape of ABC. Last XY line back is here. So A is here. B is here. And C is a good bit away. So this should be big enough, really. Just so it fits in like here. The reason why this is a really good question is that they often ask you other things to do with this view. They could ask you like the true angle between A, B, and C. This is the last test that I give you in the short question. This is what they ask you to do. So it's a different way of wording it, but that's the true shape of this.